Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today we're going to take a deep dive into the fascinating world of Internet of Things, or IoT technology, and its many applications in modern fleet management. We'll explore 4 key use cases that are transforming the industry: driver behavior monitoring, fuel monitoring, loss prevention, and predictive fleet maintenance. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how these technologies can optimize operations, increase safety, and enhance efficiency. So let's jump right in. If you're a company with a large fleet of vehicles, you've probably found several uses for Internet of Things technology and sensors. Today, we're going to dive into 4 common use cases: monitoring driver behavior, fuel monitoring, loss prevention, and predictive fleet maintenance. Each of these helps companies operate their fleets more efficiently, so let's break them down one by one. First up, let's talk about driver behavior monitoring. Sensors used for this purpose give businesses a great deal of insight into how their drivers fare on the roads. But it's not just about accountability. Companies can now monitor items such as how often a driver idles, brakes, or drifts out of lanes. This information allows them to plan measures to help their drivers be both more efficient and safer on the road. Next, we have fuel monitoring. Companies can use IoT sensors to monitor fuel levels in each vehicle. If there's abnormal fuel usage, it may indicate leaks or efficiency issues in the vehicle, alerting managers to potential maintenance needs. So, fuel monitoring is a powerful predictive maintenance tool. Plus, a sudden drop in fuel could indicate fuel theft, enabling companies to better protect their mobile assets and recover from losses. Now, let's move on to loss prevention. Monitoring systems allow fleet managers to keep a close eye on conditions within the vehicle. For instance, sensors can detect when doors open or when temperatures change in climate-controlled vehicles. This alerts fleet managers to potential product loss or theft, and these sensors can also help alert fleet managers to maintenance needs. For example, if the temperature tends to rise too much in a refrigerated truck, there could be an issue with the refrigeration system that needs to be taken care of. Finally, we have predictive fleet maintenance. Most of the monitoring systems used in fleet vehicles, including fuel monitoring, driver monitoring, and loss prevention systems, can be used in predictive maintenance. Additional sensors used to monitor the engine, tire pressure, and other components of the vehicle add to the data used in anticipating upcoming maintenance needs. For example, GPS data indicating slow braking by the driver combined with other sensor readings could indicate that there's an issue with the brake system. Excessive fuel usage combined with engine readings might indicate a developing problem that's impacting fuel efficiency. By analyzing the data, it's possible to predict when proactive maintenance is needed on fleet vehicles. This allows fleet managers to cut down on maintenance costs. So, there you have it, 4 common use cases for sensors and IoT in fleet management. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the world of IoT and fleet management. We've covered driver behavior monitoring, fuel monitoring, loss prevention, and predictive fleet maintenance. To stay updated on more such informative content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn more about how Upkeep can help your business, visit us at upkeep.com. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.